Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word sibilance. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is sibilance. Let's break it down. First, we have sib, which sounds like sib in siblings. Next is ih, which sounds like the I in bit. Then comes luns, which sounds like luns in balance. Now, let's put it all together. Sibilance. Try repeating after me. Sibilance. Now a little faster. Sibilance. And at full speed. Sibilance. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Sibilance refers to a literary device where s or sh sounds are repeated to create a hissing or soothing effect, often used in poetry. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce sibilance and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.